Hi everyone, for this question they say by expressing y equals to x over x plus 2 square into partial fraction, we're going to find its differentiation dy dx and d2y dx square. Give your answer in the simplest form, hence evaluate this d2y dx square when x equals to 0. Firstly, for this fraction, x over x plus 2 square. Express it in partial fraction form. The first one, is it proper or not? This one is already proper because up here is linear. Denominator here is quadratic, so that will be proper. After your proper, then you see your denominator here, is it factorized completely? There will be step 2. Alright, then step 3, split according your factor. Step 3, according your factor here, when you have x plus 2 square means your divisor here is x plus 2, x plus 2. It is a linear factor, but you can see this is repeating case. So when we're doing a partial fraction in repeating case, we will split according the first one will be x plus 2 only. Secondly, will be x plus 2 repeating twice. So it will be x plus 2, x plus 2 in the bracket, x plus 2 square. So that is the way we split the repeating factor into partial fraction. Step 4, we're going to determine the numerator here. Once you have a linear denominator, up here should be a smaller ranking of polynomial, so we need a constant here. So linear, getting smaller, you get constant. So for here, this is considered a linear factor, repeating one. It's not quadratic. Quadratic is, if like this is quadratic factor. If down here is quadratic, then up here will be a linear. So for this case, it is a linear factor. So up here, we need a constant b. So after you identify the format of this partial fraction, we're going to get same of the denominator. So you can see this is your fraction originally. This is your partial fraction. A will multiply with the factor, the denominator that it don't have. So it need a x plus 2. For b here, it already similar with the original fraction. So b no need multiply anything. To solve this a, b, step number 6, we're going to let. So we have two unknown here. We need to let x equals to 2 value. So we will pick what kind of value. We will pick the roots here. X equals to x plus 2 means we will take x minus 2 so that we can eliminate a, get b. So another x value we can randomly put. Let's say x equals to 0. So when we substitute x equals to negative 2, this becomes 0, we get b. And we substitute 0. So b we substitute with negative 2 as we found this. Therefore, 2a will equal to 2, a will be equals to 1. So our fraction expressed in partial fraction, it will be 1 over x plus 2. b is negative 2 over x plus 2 squared. So after we expressing this in the partial form, we can find its dy dx. So now our y is using its partial fraction. So x plus 2 power of negative 1. And for this, the x will move up, it will power in negative 2. To find its differentiation y with respect to x, this is our power rule. So power rule say that power move to the front, power minus 1, get negative 2, differentiate inside the bracket, we get 1. So again, for this second term, power move to the front, power minus 1, differentiate the bracket, we get 1. So this dy dx, you will get negative 1 over x plus 2 square, then plus 4 over x plus 2 power 3. So this is our simplest form we can get. Continue, find d2y dx square. So we're going to continue with its second derivative. So before I get second derivative, I rewrite our dy dx. our dx is negative x plus 2 in power form. Do the second derivative. So again, power rule, power move to the front, positive. Power minus 1, differentiate inside the bracket x, we get 1. Differentiate constant, we get 0. So this one, power move to the front, same. Power rules here. Power minus 1, differentiate inside the bracket. So this is 2 over x plus 2 power 3 minus 12 over x plus 2 power 4. Then we continue. The question asked us is, give your answer in the simplest form. So that is the simplest form we can get. Hence, evaluate the d2y dx squared when x equals to 0. When x equals to 0, we need to find out what is our d2y dx squared. So we substitute x0 here. 2 over 2 cubed minus 12, 2 power 4. So we get negative 1 over 2.